Hi everyone, welcome to today's TOEIC Focus, where we are going to look at questions 101 to 105 from a real TOEIC test. So I'm going to give the questions and then explain the answers. This is something different, and variety is the spice of life, right? Anyway, let's get started. Let's look at question 101. Pause your screen if you need time to get the answer. Okay, so the answer here is going to be from A. Now, why is this? When we use far, it is followed by the preposition from if we have an object, if we have a noun. For example, Canada is far from Vietnam. Thailand is close to Vietnam. But we can say location is far from location. Let's go to question 2. Same thing. If you need to pause the screen, pause the screen. All right, so the answer here is C, about. Now, we know that when we use the verb talk, somebody talks with or to another person. However, somebody talks about the topic. The same is true when you give the noun talk. And somebody gives a talk is basically somebody gives a lecture. Somebody gives the speech. And you can give a talk about something or give a talk on something. So in my work, I often am giving talks about teaching techniques. I'm giving talks on teaching techniques. So that is a part of my job. Okay, so the answer, as we said, is C. Let's go to number 3. This one is probably the hardest, but take your time, try to get the answer. Okay, so the answer here is C. And if you project something, you're predicting or expecting it to happen in the future. For example, experts project that inflation will increase. Now, if I say experts project that inflation will increase, here my subject is experts, my verb is project, and that inflation will increase is my object. I can also say experts project inflation to increase. So there are 2 ways you can use project here. However, if I wanted to make that sentence passive, I would say inflation is projected to increase. And then if I want, I could say by experts. So if we look at the TOEIC example, it says the charity's new reading program is blank to increase literacy rates. Well, the reading program is not a person. So I know this is a passive sentence. That somebody projects the charity's new reading program to increase literacy. So, passive voice, the charity's new reading program is projected to increase literacy rates. And this is passive voice here. It is not B. You could say experts are projecting the charity's new reading program will increase, blah, blah, blah. But here, this is passive voice. Okay? So, the new program is expected, is projected, is predicted to increase literacy rates. Passive voice. Okay, so let's look at number 4. It says, engaging in social, Ms. Mason quickly expanded her network after moving to New York City. So, you must have a noun here. You know that. Active is not a noun, so A is incorrect. Activates, which is C, is a verb, so that's incorrect. And activated is also a past tense verb, so that's incorrect. You need a noun, and the noun here is activities. Now, one thing to notice is that words that end with ty are usually nouns, such as poverty, positivity, creativity, ingenuity, society, priority. These are all nouns. So I see that activity in plural is activities. I need to have a noun in this sentence. There's my answer, C. Lots of C's today. And we have one more question we're going to do. So it says, artists, let me learn how to speak. Artists wanting to participate in the contest should submit their work by the blank of June 30th. Well, June 30th is the latest you can submit it. And this is called a deadline. A deadline is when something needs to be finished. Something needs to be completed. For example, I have a project at my work right now. The deadline is November 22nd. So I've got to focus on that. That is my deadline. The last day I can hand it in. So we were able to finish 5 questions very quickly. Stay tuned because the next lesson will be 106 to 110.